Good afternoon, and good afternoon, and welcome once again to our Blackpool Biker. We're just on the prom, on the Golden Mile, as with Coral Island being opposite, a bit obvious. We're just going to have a little wander round for you. You've got Christmas by the Sea. I've just been past there now, did a little video. It's quite busy, it's doing well, is that? I think they've done well with that this year, to be fair, at Christmas by the Sea, especially with having quite a few of the kiddies rides now as well, haven't they? So we might have a wander up there in a minute and just have a look at Bonny Street Market, see what it is being demolished and that now. Such a shame. Golden Mile Centre just opposite, that's moving. I did show that on the previous video. That might have gone on follow that biker actually, that vid. I'm not sure at the moment. But yeah, it's not a bad day today. Shall we have a wander up that way? Oh God, we're going to do some mountaineering again. Just over this little wall. Come on, bike, you've got long legs, you can do it, lad. Oh, we've done it. Right, let's cross here at the lights here. Sorry about panning around so fast. Get told off for that all the time. But never mind that. It might take a second or two to get over this road. Over the prom. You see how busy it is with traffic? Really busy, isn't it? But as you can see, there's a few around. Say we're on well out of season now, obviously. Really well out of season. And the sun's trying to come out as well, which is always nice, isn't it? Always nice. So we'll have a wander up here. We'll go and have a look at how they're doing with Central as well, with the development, you know, the car park that they're building at the moment. Opposite Coral Island. So about that. People just stand there on corners all together, so you just can't get past. It's not even that busy. Excuse me. Parrot there. Coral Island. Yeah, and it's a shame. We'll have a wander down in a second, down Bonny Street. Watch out for traffic. See how it's all fenced off now. After the hustle and bustle of years of the traders being on here. It does seem such a shame, doesn't it? It really is. Let's have a look what's happening here as well. See what's happening round here. Was round here the other day. Hang on, just swap hands, my hands have got. Even though the sun's out and that, it's still a bit nippy. It's not freezing or anything. It's not too bad at all, to be fair. So we're on the old platforms of the old Central Station. I've done all on that before, many a time. But yeah, they're coming on with that. Look at that now. It's even changed since the other day. About a week ago we were here. Something along those lines. I think it was anyway. Have a wander up. Look how many cars are in the car park though. It's rammed. Not many spaces, look. Yeah, so where we're walking now is the old platforms of the old Central Station. Busiest station in the world in 1911. Let's see if we can walk through here. Yeah, 1863 Central Station. North 1846. They're definitely coming on with this. Let's watch where everyone's going. I can't believe how busy it is for out of season. I've seen it quieter than this in season. You've got Central Drive there, the road just there. Wow. Put hand in pocket. Yeah, you can see how that's coming on now, can't you? It has come on in a week since the last time we were here. I'm sure this wasn't here at the time, was it? As far as I remember anyway. Oh yeah, it's telling you once the world's busiest train station. (1911) it was anyway. When, do you know that photo I put on when I did the history of Blackpool Central? It's a well-known photo, that. Yeah, it's changing around here, isn't it? All change. Say this was the road that a lot would have come down, and before that it was literally the line coming through to the station there where Carl Island is now, and these was all the platforms. It's so strange. It's one of them minutes I could come back from 100 years ago and have a look round. I recognise that. 1894, the tower. But yeah, if you're thinking of how long all that'll be gone, the concrete jungle, really, really strange, to be honest. So I'll go and see if we can get a better look at Bonny Street Market from this side, if you know what I mean. This where we're going to now is the old retaining wall. It's part of the old station wall. Look, people's trying to find spaces, and it's just like I'm not sure. You used to be able to get down that way, but I'm not sure if you can now, to be fair. Just have a look from here. There's a gap in the boardings just here. Not sure if we've got to see anything or not, to be fair. Oh yeah, look. This is the original wall, by the way, of Central Station. This wall here, and where I'm stood now would have been platform 1. Going down that way, if you can tell. Look at all this now. It's a shame, isn't it? Yeah. Then again, say Blackpool's middle name is Progress. So I expect that's what it is. So yeah, we're walking now. This would be platform 1. 14 platforms, if I remember right. Oh, look at the star flying now. Oh, no thanks. Anyway, hope you've been alright with that little walk. Just a shame with Bonny Street Market in it. Let me know what you think. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.